Okay, here's a video. This is a 2018 Ford F-150 of how to reset the oil life monitor. I've changed the oil a few times, but I've been getting a notification that it needs oil change. So what you're going to use is you're going to use this pad here on the left to toggle through the screen options here. Again, this is 2018. So what you want to do, arrow over to the menu, and you go down to settings. The vehicle needs to be in park, on, or running, but you can't be moving to get access to this. So click OK on settings, and then go to advanced settings. Now, and then go to vehicle. Now, one thing I was hung up on this where it says wiper controls. I couldn't find the oil reset button, but if you go up, it gives you a whole nother page of options, and I didn't see that, so I was confused on how to get that. So there is obviously a let's see if we go up to oil, just arrow up to oil reset, hit OK, and then hold down OK. If you see, it says hold OK to reset oil life. There you go, just hold it down, it'll reset it. So if you only see the wiper controls option, just make sure you toggle up to get to the other options on that page. So hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you.